Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn text into videos with AI. So did you know that you can turn just a piece of text into a full AI video? And here I'm going to show you step by step on how you can go from simple text to image to video all using AI tools. So the first step that you need to do is prepare the text prompts. So you can write a short story or scene that you want to visualize. For example, here I'm going to use Google AI Studio and try the nano banana to create the image first. So I'm going to use this, a cute robot walking in a futuristic neon city at night. So let's click on run and let Google Nano Banana generate the image. So if you have more than one scene, you can generate multiple frames or styles. Always try different prompts until you get the exact visual style you want, like cartoon, anime, or realistics. Okay, so here's the result. Let's download it first. And after you got the AI image, you can generate it into video. You can use AI video generator like Runway, Pika Labs, Asgens, or others. Here, I'm going to use, let's try Asgen AI. So in here, I'm going to just use this prompt. I'm uploading my robot image, and with one click it turned into a 5-second animated clip. So upload the image of the robot, and then you can just click on this to generate the video. You can also use Canva AI. For example, we're going to use the same prompt, upload the photo of the robot. Now let's just submit the prompt and also the image and just wait for the result. Okay, so now the image has turned into a short animated video. Let's just play it to see the result. So here it is. And the next step that you can do, you can add AI voice and also music if you want to. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can create text to image and image to video using AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!